Welcome to the homepage. This is your daily dashboard, bringing together the most important information from across your planner into one convenient place. At the top, you'll find a new daily inspiration every day to encourage and motivate you as you begin. Just below that is What's Ahead, which combines information from your planner into one easy-to-read overview. Here you'll see today's tasks, appointments, events, and any bills that are due, along with a Later This Week section so you can see what's coming up over the next several days. If you'd like to see more details, simply select View Calendar. Next is today's reminder. Like the daily inspiration, this changes each day and offers a simple reminder to help keep you grounded and focused. Below that is your one focus today. Instead of trying to do everything at once, choose the one thing that would make today feel successful. Type it in, select Set Focus, and it will automatically appear on your planner for today. Next is your mood and energy check-in. Take a moment to record both how you're feeling and your current energy level. Over time, these check-ins help you notice patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Select Discover Patterns to view your mood and energy history on the Life Reset page, where your check-ins are tracked alongside your habit completion. Below that is Today's Gentle Reset. These are small, simple actions designed to help you care for yourself today. Unlike your habit tracker, which focuses on long-term routines and consistency, today's Gentle Reset is simply about supporting yourself in the present moment. You can check items off as you complete them, add your own checklist items, remove ones you don't want, and even drag and reorder the list to suit your day. As you complete items, your progress circle updates automatically, giving you a visual reminder that even small steps forward matter. Finally, at the bottom is Progress Worth Celebrating. Throughout the month, the planner automatically highlights some of your recent accomplishments, whether that's completing important tasks, contributing to your savings goals, building healthy routines, or making progress in other areas of your planner. It's a simple reminder to recognize how far you've come, because meaningful progress is often made through small, consistent steps.